It's bright and early. Well, not too early. It's 9 a.m. and we are on the road, which is awesome. And the girls just woke up and we got the car all loaded up and we are off to the Tracy Aviary.
We're so excited. We have an owl book that the girls have been so obsessed with lately. So we're gonna go see some birds.
Some real owls. Davey's making good progress on her yummy hash brown. Oh, it's such cute hair. Ooh, good job, girlfriend. Get that burrito.
Aviary!
Woo woo! Let's go find some birds.
Our first birds. Vultures. These are my favorite birds. I think vultures are so cute.
Find some more birds.
Looks fun. Whee! There's a peacock.
See a big bird over there.
Peacock. Scout, what sound does the toucan make? Good job. Is that what the toucan says?
What is that, Davey? Is that a bird?
adventures.
Yeah, Zeke's really, he's a little cookie monster.
He is.
But we got these awesome Ruby Snap cookies.
We're so excited. They have the best cookies ever, and they were so sweet and gave us a free one too. Look how amazing that looks.
So
and
good.
so we ate our free one on the drive home. Look at those. Those are just beautiful looking cookies. Did you have fun at the aviary?
It was so much fun. The girls, like, I just love seeing them get so excited about the birds.
I know. I was dying with Scout and the toucans. She thought they were the best ever. She was like saying the sound. Yeah, it was pretty awesome. That was so much fun.
So fun.
And yeah, we're learning with adventures with our girls and things like that because we were like, oh, their naps are usually like 11:30, 12. So we left at 11:30 and then they were just having meltdowns.
Yeah, because I think it was just an impactful morning.
Yeah, so
what they normally do. So
it was exciting, but yeah, now they're just resting and napping. It's interesting learning for us as well as parents as we're, you know, trying to have fun with our kids and do adventures, but also learning boundaries.
And like, how far should we? Yeah, when should we call it? And, yeah. Should we go in the morning? Should we go in the afternoon? What's the best
so
time?
We've been talking over, we're like, so next time, do we do the morning again or do we do the afternoon?
Try after a nap, yeah.
Yeah, we'll see. But we're glad that you guys are here learning on the experience with us. And yeah, it's been fun. So when the girls wake up, we'll do a little bit more videos with them. How fun is this? Dinner at the table?
So hard.
Good job. You two are getting so good at using your utensils. All right, are we all done? Should we go take a bath? Scouty? Oh, are you smelling your oil? Oh, that's Scouty's favorite oil. She loves smelling it every night. Are you getting ready for bed? Davey, oh, you want your oil opened? Okay. All right, there you go. Yeah, they like the cap. They like holding it all. I love your hairbrush, so cute. Hi, Zeke. Want to show your oil to Zeke?
Should we give Zeke, should we let him try it?
Oh, yeah, she wants to show him. Oh, yeah, go show Zeke your oil. Oh, he likes it. Yeah, wants to show her oil to Zeke. Oh, I think he likes it. Oh, nope, he doesn't. Hi, Zeke. He's such a good boy. Was that Hello Kitty? Oh, hi, Hello Kitty.